Hello, welcome to another edition of Understanding Electrical Safety. I'm Steve Abbott, the President of Stark Safety Consultants. Today we're going to spotlight one of our course offerings, the Electrical Safe Work Practice course for the qualified person. This course is designed to cover the NFPA 70E 2012 edition for anyone that's exposed to electrical hazards and has to act in the capacity of a qualified person. Let's take a look now at what the course overview includes.
This course is based on the premise of both the OSHA 1910 and 1926 standards and the NFPA 70E, the standard for electrical safety in the workplace. The current edition of that is the 2012 edition, which took effect as of August 31st, 2011. So this is a course for not only technicians, safety managers, owners, and any other supervisors, but even if you have not had training at all, or if you've had training even within a year, this is still important training for the updated standard, and this training will cover every aspect of the 2012 NFPA 70E, and we will be highlighting those significant changes that have occurred since the last edition of the 2009 NFPA 70E. The course outline is broken down into 9 major sections, basically an introduction of electrical safe work practices and the understanding of electrical hazards, the key relationship between OSHA and the NFPA 70E and how those two relate to each other, the understanding of what does it mean to be working on energized parts, and a lot of misconceptions to people that are not fully aware of the fact that being exposed to any aspect of an electrical hazard still could be recognized as working on those energized parts. Also, basic understanding of an electrical safety program, the key components of that, and the directives that should be in an electrical safety program. Defining and discussing some major areas of training requirements, who needs training, what type of training, and different groups of people, as well as the different aspects of those training requirements for each group. Definitely a hot topic for most people in coming to a class of this nature is the PPE requirements, personal protective equipment, what type of protection is out there for electrical safety, as well as any other protective equipment, accessories, and how to define when those should be used. We'll talk about the process of the arc flash hazard analysis, doing the electrical hazard analysis that will help determine the amount of energy that could be produced in an arc flash event at each piece of equipment, and defining the 2 different methods for doing the arc flash hazard analysis. We will also talk about some engineering design considerations that could improve facility exposure to arc flash energies, as well as some things that typically generate some high arc flash energies that a lot of facilities currently have. And then we'll do some basic understanding of how to read a one-line diagram. Very important that people qualified to work on electrical systems can read those diagrams for their own safety. And then we will give some highlighted information for preventative maintenance. Some of the other reference documents that are out there for the types of preventative maintenance that are required, frequency of those maintenance tasks, and more importantly than all of that is how to document that information and how critical preventative maintenance is in the accuracy of any type of hazard analysis. So this is an 8-hour course. This course is both put on publicly as well as privately, where the course can be customized to a company's safety policy and procedures. And it's something that if you're interested, you can go to starksafetyconsultants.com. Thank you very much.